Here we have the DTEN Mate. This is James with Vivo. Let's check it out. This is the perfect convenient solution for in-meeting controls at the desktop or intuitive room booking and scheduling outside of the room, where you can mount it right on the wall so you can easily walk by and see the status of the room or any upcoming meetings. The DTEN Mate is a highly secure, reliable, intuitive solution for your Zoom rooms and Microsoft Teams rooms. With a single tap of the screen, users can launch meetings, admit participants, browse meeting schedules, adjust camera and microphone settings, and so much more. With the included DTEN Mate dock, the DTEN Mate can be easily mounted to walls, door frames, or tabletops. With this version, which is the Wi-Fi version, it can be removed from the dock. You can take it with you around the room to help you with controls and things like that. Or if you're worried about it walking off, which sometimes it might, right, keep it mounted at all times in the dock. Or there is the non-Wi-Fi option, which would then be cabled in, of course, and hardwired. Included in the box of this DTEN Mate is the DTEN Mate, the dock, a remote control, and also the cables for power. And since this is the Wi-Fi version, the USB dongle here to be able to connect to the system. The DTEN Mate is versatile with the two options of PoE or the Wi-Fi versions to be able to fit the needs of your conference space and your room. To learn more about DTEN products or this DTEN Mate specifically, check out our website at www.vivo.tech.